Open the packaging box and remove Meta 20. Remove protective foam paper. The accessory box is equipped with fender stay, front lights, toolkit, refinish, charger, warranty card, pedal. Release the quick release and shorten the handle. Lift the handle upwards and lock it simultaneously. Adjust the handle to a suitable angle for oneself. Install the fender stay onto the fender. Tighten the screws. Install the front light and fender onto the front fork with screws. Screw in washers and screws. Tighten the screws. Connecting light wires. Install the fender stay on both sides. Install the reserved hole on the front fork. Tighten the screws. Remove the front fork protection strip. Align the front wheel with the front fork and install it. Install the quick release rod. Lock the quick release lever tightly. Find the LR logo for the foot pedal. Install the foot pedals on both sides. Installation is complete.